Whoa, what the fuck? Nah. I was trolling. Chill. Let me go. Who use a bitch? Use a bitch. Yeah. Where the fuck you came from, Jonathan? You little staples. You're not even a police officer, bro. You look like you look like a sergeant in the army or some shit. Fuck you doing over here?
Can y'all chill? Why are you so mad? Like, peace and love,
Bro. Who are you, Emmy?
Who are you? Like, chill out. Be happy.
Bro,
Smoke a joint, bro. Smoke a joint.
No. I woke up in a bad mood, bro.
Well, you literally added me as a friend, so obviously you love me. So just chill
Yeah,
out.
cause I'm gonna
Smoke a
get on your
joint.
ass later. When I'm free, I'm gonna get on your ass later. That's why. Hey,
Period, gang. Now smile and be happy.
show me my money. Hey, here go my lawyer. My lawyer right here. Hey, babe, come get me out.
Your lawyer. I'm sure he would suck it too.
Hey, lawyer, get me out.
Jonathan's lawyer, the hottest. You're
No, that
so
ain't my
hot.
No, that ain't my lawyer. Anybody with a badge ain't my goddamn lawyer.
Yeah, I had to go to the doctor, and they shot like a little laser in my.
What's up with doing, man?
What's going on here? Anything? Okay. He shot you at while you were doing a vent, but you were outside PD? Okay. We can't be doing that. Um, Mr. Staples, you got body cam of the incident? All right, would you send that to me, please?